Hi friend, welcome back to my Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to blur photo background. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below, and hit the bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started.
Open image in Photoshop. Select the image layer and Ctrl-J to duplicate. Hide the bottom layer. Select the top layer. Now select the quick selection tool and select the object which you want to focus. After selection, Ctrl-J to duplicate the selection layer. Hide the second layer. Now hold Ctrl and click the cutout layer for pixel selection. Unhide the second layer and hide the top layer. Now go to Select, Modify, Expand Selection, increase the value up to 8 and hit OK. Select the second layer. Go to Edit and choose Content Aware Fill and OK. Ctrl-D to deselect. Hold Shift, select both layer, Content Aware layer and bottom layer, and merge them. Ctrl-E-merge. Unhide both layer. Select bottom background layer. Now go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Increase the blur radius. And OK. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.